चंद्रकांता की कहानी ये है 150 साल पुरानी. Written by an Indian author named Devki Nandan Khatri. A lot of us millennials know about it because we watched the mega hit series Chandrakanta based on this very novel. Devki Nandan Khatri was born in Bihar, Muzaffarnagar in 1861, and this was his first novel that came out in 1888. और आते ही इस नॉवल ने तहलका मचा दिया. Devki Nandan Khatri is considered to be the father of fantasy thriller in Indian literature. The words like magic, optical illusion, all of this he introduced to the Hindi reading or speaking people at that point of time in 1888. Guys, remember this is 150 years ago. As a person, Devki Nandan Khatri is considered to be a very happy-go-lucky, jovial sort of a person. शतरंज का और पतंगबाजी का उन्हें खास शौक था. देवी के बहुत बड़े उपासक थे और 5 लैंग्वेजेस पे उनकी पकड़ थी, विच इंक्लूडेड उर्दू, फारसी, संस्कृत, इंग्लिश और ऑफ कोर्स Hindi. Devki Nandan Khatri used to work for King of Kashi. The background of this novel is based on 2 places, Naugarh and Vijaygarh. And Naugarh actually is a place which was gifted to Devki Nandan Khatri by the King of Kashi at that point of time. And it was this place in the ruins of some old palace in Naugarh that he got inspired to write this beautiful saga. This novel was written 150 years ago. 90s, it came out as a television series. Still today, there are a lot of television series which take some things or the others from this novel, which lives on even after 150 years. And guys, please promote Indian authors because the best way to know about the rich heritage of our land and of our culture is through stories. And there are some beautiful, brilliant Indian authors who have been writing from over centuries. We should know as Indians how our characters, how our society used to be 100 or 200 or 300 years ago.